everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make Curry Pilaf. It's rice cooked with sausages, vegetables, and curry-flavored broth. Super easy to make, but it smells and tastes so good. Very appetizing dish. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Curry Pilaf. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 150 grams of mixed vegetables, 8 sausages, 1 tablespoon each of ketchup, butter, chicken stock, and curry powder, and some salt and pepper. I'm going to prepare the rice first, so let's rinse it. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. The water doesn't have to be perfectly clear. Let's put the rinsed rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Cover with the lid and let it sit for half an hour. This will give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's cut the sausages. Cut into half and slice. I'm using sausages today, but you can use chicken cut into small pieces instead. It's been soaked for half an hour, so it's time to cook. 1 tablespoon of ketchup, chicken stock, and curry powder. Some salt and pepper to taste. Give it a mix. Sprinkle vegetables. And sausages. All over the rice, but don't mix it in. Butter on top. Lid back on and just bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it cook for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. Steam for 10 minutes. Let's mix and fluff. Serve on the plate. And Curry Pilaf, smelling so good, it's ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. Very simple ingredients and very simple cooking process, but the outcome is surprisingly delicious. You really need to try this. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Curry Pilaf goes here and kabocha no soup here. How about spinach and egg salad for one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. There is enough protein in these dishes, so let's pass the main and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!